హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ సిఐడి 000. ఇవాళ మన ఒక ఇండియా యొక్క గ్రేట్నెస్ ఒకటి చెప్పాలి. పెన్ కలంకారీ అండి, ఏ దేశంలోనూ చేయరు. సో అంత అద్భుతమైన ఒక పెన్ తోటి పెయింట్ అనేది చేయటం జరుగుతుంది. సో ముగ్గురు వర్కర్స్ కలిసి ఒక నెల రోజులు అంటే 30 రోజులు ఒక చీర మీద పెయింట్ వేస్తే, అందులోనూ న్యాచురల్ డైస్, ఎలాంటి కెమికల్స్ అనేది వాడరు. ఆర్ అట్లాంటి మొత్తం కౌడంగ్, నెక్స్ట్ ఆకుల రసాలు, పూల రసాలు ఇలా తీసుకొని మనకి కలర్స్ చేస్తారు. అలాంటి న్యాచురల్ కలర్స్ తోటి కంచిపట్టు మీద పెన్ కలంకారీ చేసి మనకి చూడండి డిజైన్స్. ఇవి దాదాపు మనకి ఒక 15,000 నుంచి 1,00,000 రూపాయల వరకు ఉన్నాయి. అవి ఏంటి అసలు, ఇంత విశిష్టత ఏంటి దీంట్లో అనేది చూద్దాం రండి. కొత్త వాళ్ళైతే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి రేరెస్ట్ విషయాలు మొత్తం మీతో షేర్ చేస్తాను. చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ థింగ్సే షేర్ చేస్తాను. నేను పనికిరాని నాకు పెట్టాలనిపించదు. యూట్యూబ్ అంటే ఒక అర్హత అనేది ఉంటుంది కదండి. ఏదన్నా నలుగురికి ఉపయోగపడేది చేయాలి అన్న తపన. సో నచ్చిన వాళ్ళు చూడండి, నచ్చని వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు నచ్చలేదో కామెంట్ చేయండి. సరే, వీడియోలోకి వచ్చేద్దాం మరి.
Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, an elegant jari border saree, gold jari work, contrast pallu, and we have beautiful gold jari work in the pallu, green color, same green for the blouse piece with both sides jari borders and elegant hand painted work. The saree is on beautiful pink, violetish pink color, very elegant color with fully floral pattern, completely hand painted using organic color dyes. Completely vegetable dyes are used here. You can see the borders are in gold jari with the thin border in the pallu color. Very beautiful pen kalamkari saree done on traditional process, completely hand written and hand painted using vegetable color dyes on a pure Kanjivaram soft silk with beautiful border design. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on Kanji pure silk soft silk saree, an excellent saree with beautiful pallu design, jari weaved pallu, very beautiful navy blue color pallu here with excellent gold jari work. We also have a very beautiful silver jari work in the pallu both sides, and the blouse piece is a plain blouse piece in pallu color with both sides jari border. The bottom is a very unique type. We have a very beautiful concept in the saree. The whole saree have buttas, small tiny buttas. You can see the very beautiful design, completely monolithic figures. The sculptures which we can see in the temples are painted here all over the saree with both sides border and beautiful buttas all over. The colors used are completely natural color dyes. The saree is naturally in green color, not dyed, it is on the saree itself, and you can see the monolithic figures completely hand painted with the and done using pen kalamkari. A pure form of pen kalamkari on a pure soft silk with authentic silk. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk. Beautiful big border silver jari work saree, double barku. Very beautiful pallu here, a peach color pallu in gold jari work. The complete saree is in gold jari work here with a beautiful painting design in the pallu, and we have a plain blouse piece with a beautiful hand paints, completely pen kalamkari hand painting work, floral pattern, flowers. The saree is in green base color. The saree itself is a green color, and the pen kalamkari work is done on floral pattern and Krishna pattern. Krishna is standing beautifully with his flute, and Shanta rose, beautiful one. See the colors used are completely organic one, and we have a big border in a gold jari. See the beautiful border as well, Kanji type border. The complete saree is done using organic vegetable dyes. A pure form of pen kalamkari, organic vegetable dye saree on pure Kanjivaram soft silk with beautiful jari border. And the saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk. A very beautiful double barku, contrast pallu and blouse color sarees, an elegant red color, beautiful jari work, silver jari work in the pallu, with same red blouse piece, fully floral pattern, excellently hand painted, beautiful colors. The saree is done on base orange. You see a very beautiful soft silk, very soft and lightweight, with a very beautiful design, a turning design border using silver jari in the lower bottom. On it we have the beautiful design, the pin kalamkari work paintings. Completely a floral pattern with multiple color choices. Very elegantly done, natural color dye, vegetable dye saree, organic one completely. No form of synthetic chemicals or any dyes used here. A pure form of pin kalamkari on pure silk, and it is done using natural organic colors. An elegant one with beautiful jari turning border, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure pin kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk. A very elegant double warp silk with contrast pallu and blouse piece. A beautiful pallu here, magenta pink color pallu with jari work. Gold jari used here with beautiful painting, and we have same pink color blouse piece, fully floral work in the blouse piece. Very elegant stuff, completely hand painted with the elegant and traditional methods. Here we have a beautiful tussar color body, half white sandal mix, half white color, and we have a elegant peacock design work in the painting. And inside that you can see a turning design border, silver jari used for the turning design. This on it the painting is done, so it is giving a beautiful glowy glittery peacocks here in the bottom and florals at the top. Completely natural color dyes used here, no form of synthetic chemicals. It's a pure and organic saree, pure form of pen kalamkari and pure double warp Kanjivaram silk, and the colors used are organic with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, soft silk and double warp, very beautiful pen kalamkari work on it with a contrast pallu, sea blue color, green and blue mixed color pallu, with silver jari work, very beautiful pallu here, excellent design, same color blouse piece with completely floral pattern painted, the traditional pen kalamkari pattern. Here we have the base tussar color, that is the half white itself, with beautiful peacock designs in the bottom. The bottom also have a turning border, which is done using silver jari. Very elegant one. On it the peacock work is done, so it is very glittery, beautiful design. Peacocks are really elegant, you can see. Traditional colorful peacocks, completely hand written and hand painted using organic vegetable dyes. Completely natural, no form of chemicals are used here. A pure traditional pen kalamkari process, hand written and hand painted using organic vegetable dyes, and it comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, a double warp, pure and beautiful silk saree, excellent contrast pallu, blue copper sulphate blue color with very elegant silver jari work in the pallu, grand one with same color blouse piece. We have beautiful design the blouse piece with border concept and florals here and there. The saree is in an excellent mild green mixed half white color. The starting of the pallu also have the pretty peacock work, and we have a turning border, very beautiful gold jari work, turning border, elegantly done, and the color of the saree is the tussar color, green mixed half white, and very beautiful design, the peacocks in a vertical kodi pattern. Florals are also very pretty, completely organic color dyes used here, vegetable, natural color, no form of synthetic chemicals are used. A pure and traditional pen kalamkari saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, and it is done using completely organic natural colors. And the saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk. A very beautiful collection with contrast pallu, copper sulphate blue color with silver jari work, very beautiful pallu, same color blouse piece with an elegant floral pattern, completely done using beautiful colors. The saree is in tussar color, mild green mixed half white color, a very elegant peacock design, the turning border in the lower part. On it a beautiful peacock design is done, multiple colors used for the base round, and inside it we can see a very elegant peacock. Beautiful kodi pattern in the top, very fine Manasi Garam concept, and it is done using organic natural vegetable dyes. No form of chemicals used here. A pure traditional natural process of pen kalamkari done using handwriting and hand painting method using organic vegetable dyes, and it is done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk double warp one. Very elegant saree with a contrast magenta pink color pallu, fully gold jari work. Excellent one with hand painting work in the blouse piece. Same pallu color blouse piece, fully Kodi design. Completely the traditional pen kalamkari work is done. You can see a beautiful starting design of the pallu, peacocks, very beautifully done. The saree have a turning border that is done using gold jari. On it, the peacock design is done, completely hand painted. The top of the saree is completely blue, beautiful color. The Kodi design is done on it, on dark base, which is very pretty. The glittery butta design in the lower part and the beautiful floral at the top. It's a natural color dye saree, completely vegetable dyes are used. A pure and organic saree. Pure form of pen kalamkari, traditional handwriting and hand painting done using organic colors and on a pure Kanjivaram soft silk. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Okay. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk, beautiful pen kalamkari work on soft silk saree. Very elegant, colorful Kanji type silk, and we have a very beautiful border design in the saree. A contrast pallu is a floral type, and we have weaving in gold jari, and the same bottle green color pallu and bottle green color blouse piece with very beautiful painting work and the jari border work, that is jacquard border. Then we have a very elegant saree here on base tassa color itself. The concept is very pretty, a forest concept, and we also have animals like elephant as well as peacock in the design. The florals are also very pretty, big and beautiful floral type. Elegant work. You can also see the clouds pattern. Completely natural vegetable dyes are used here, no form of synthetic chemicals. And the jacquard border on green base adds beauty to the saree. A pure form of pen kalamkari, the traditional process, handwritten and hand painted using natural organic dyes on pure Kanjivaram soft silk with a beautiful jacquard border, and the saree comes with authentic silk marks. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure a beautiful soft silk saree, double warp two, excellent Kanjivaram type silk with a Kanjivaram border, jacquard border. The peach color pallu is given for the saree, contrast one with very elegant gold and silver jari work in the pallu. Same peach color, plain blouse piece with jacquard borders in both sides. And the saree is in a very different, beautiful pastel color, light grey, elegant one. The buttas are very pretty, done using completely hand painting work, and the border is again in the peach color with the jacquard border. And you can see a very beautiful village concept, very elegant ancient village design. You can see the cow as well as the ladies doing their beautiful activities. It describes the olden periods. Very elegant work, a monolithic as well as a floral pattern. A pure form of pen kalamkari, traditional hand painting and handwriting work using natural vegetable dyes. A completely organic saree, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure pen kalamkari silk on pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a double warp pure and beautiful silk with a contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a very beautiful copper sulphate blue and green mixed color, very elegant pallu with gold jari weaving, and we also have jacquard borders in the whole saree, even in the blouse piece. The blouse piece is a completely floral work with same pallu color. Pen kalamkari traditional work is done in this particular saree. You can see the peacock, elegant peacock. The base color of the saree is given in yellow, which is very pretty. Completely Vanasingaram concept. You can see the very pretty, beautiful designs. Peacocks with multiple colors. The floral is also very pretty here. Kodi pattern all over, closely painted work. Completely natural vegetable dyes are used. The jacquard border adds richness to the saree. On both sides, gold jari jacquard border on the base pallu color. A pure form of pen kalamkari on pure Kanjivaram soft silk and with jacquard borders. A completely natural vegetable color dye saree with authentic silk. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk. A very beautiful jacquard border collection with the a contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a very eye-catchy, attractive color combo for the pallu. Fully gold jari weaving. The color is dark orange with mild pink shade mix. And we have the same color blouse piece. Blouse piece is also having a very beautiful pin kalamkari painting work. The saree is an elegant pattern. Peacocks. We also have an instrumental design, Veena. Veena is done in a peacock form. And we have a very pretty floral concept in the saree. Saree is on light, mild green shade, green tinge, half white. And the orange border adds beauty to the saree along with the jacquard border in both sides. Very pretty collection, completely natural color dyes saree. A pure form of pen kalamkari, natural color dye, organic collection. Completely traditional work done on pure soft silk, and the saree comes with authentic silk. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk. Very beautiful Kanji type jacquard border. Excellent border sarees with a contrast pallu. Ananda blue color pallu with gold jari weaving, floral pattern in the pallu, and same color blouse piece. And we have mild hand painting works in the blouse piece here and there with the jacquard border again. And here we have a very beautiful pond and floral concept saree. Elegant pond concept with the lotuses. And we also have peacock design here and there, painted excellently with very beautiful colors. And the borders of the saree is Kanji type borders on base pallu color. Excellent work, completely hand painted natural color dye saree, a pure organic saree, and it's a pure pen kalamkari traditional work, hand painting and hand drawings, completely done using organic colors on pure soft silk. And the saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, a double warp silk saree. Very elegant collection, jacquard border, beautiful Kanji type collection with a very elegant contrast pallu, blue and green mixed color with gold jari weaving in the pallu, and we have an elegant same pallu color blouse piece and a beautiful floral pattern hand painted in it. The jacquard border is also in the blouse piece. The color of the saree is a light, mild green mix, half white color, and here we have an elegant animals pattern in the circles, elephants and also peacocks. And the Vanasingaram concept in the top. Beautiful peacock design in between the floral pattern, Kodi pattern. The borders of the saree is again in pallu color and in jacquard weaving, gold jari used for it, and a very rich one. A completely natural color dyes, organic saree, a pure form of pen kalamkari, traditional handwriting and hand painting work, done using organic colors on pure Kanjivaram soft silk with a very elegant jacquard border, and it comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk collection. A very beautiful contrast pallu, jacquard border weaving collection. Here we have a very beautiful blue and green mixed color pallu, very elegant gold jari weaving along with the jari border, and we have same color blouse piece, a floral pattern in the blouse piece, closely designed saree with the jacquard border in both sides. And here we have a very elegant peacock design in the starting of the saree, a heart in shape, and inside it a big peacock, beautiful one. Colors used are very pretty, and we have a very pretty floral pattern in the saree, half white color base, and on it we have a fully yellow feather design all over, and peacocks are also done here and there. Vanasingaram concept, and we have a beautiful jacquard border on the pallu base color. Excellent one, pure form of pen kalamkari, a natural organic color dye saree on pure Kanjivaram silk with a very elegant jacquard weaving border, and it comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, a double warp, beautiful Kanji border collection, jacquard border weaving with the contrast pallu, copper sulphate blue and green mixed color pallu here with beautiful jari weaving, gold jari, and we have a plain blouse piece in a beautiful hand painting concept and the jacquard border. The saree is having a beautiful splitting. The starting of the pallu is on red base with the beautiful two peacock design, and we have a yellow color saree here with a very elegant Vanasingaram concept. Here and there we have peacocks as well as the flowers. The leaves are done in a very different way with multi-color leaves. Excellent pattern on base yellow color, and the borders are done on pallu color itself with the jacquard weaving. Very rich border, very beautiful one. Completely natural vegetable dyes are used here, no form of synthetic chemicals. A pure form of pen kalamkari, traditional handwriting and hand painting format, done using organic vegetable dyes, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk with a very beautiful jacquard border and a contrast pallu here, a peach color pallu with very elegant gold jari worked design, and we have a pallu color blouse piece, a plain one with both sides jacquard border, a fine and beautifully painted work, a traditional form of Penkalamkari, and this is a half and half pattern, and most the top half is half white color with the peacocks completely hand painted, and the lower half is on yellow base, a Urvalam pattern. You can see the queen in her Urvalam very beautifully. The ancient instruments are used by the servants. Very beautifully it is described here with the jacquard borders on the peach color, pallu color itself, and we also have a border design in the top. A completely organic saree full of work is done completely using hand painting, and it is organic colors. Penkalamkari using organic colors on soft silk with a beautiful jacquard border and comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram silk, a soft silk saree, double warp with a contrast pallu and blouse piece with a beautiful jacquard weaving border, kanji type border, and gold jari weaving in the pallu, and pallu is a very attractive color, pink and orange mix, and orange is prominent, and same color blouse piece with jacquard borders, and we have a floral pattern hand painted in the blouse piece. And we have a starting of the pallu, we have the dual elephant design, and the saree is on beautiful green base, floral pattern. Very elegantly it's been done. The color choices are very pretty, and the borders are again done on pallu color orange and jacquard weaving border, a kanji type very rich borders which adds beauty to the saree. A perfect Penkalamkari saree, traditional hand painted and hand drawing, completely done using natural vegetable colors, and it is done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk with a beautiful jacquard border, and it comes with authentic silk mark.